everybody talks about, is it pink, is it blue, and alkaline versus acid in your soil, but that's not quite it. Do you want to illuminate us with the aluminum?
Well, it is like the aluminum in an alkaline soil, it's sort of bound up. And in a more open, certainly a more acid soil, it's more available.
Yeah.
And so that's the difference. Chemically within the plant, I don't know why or how, but that's the difference between a pink bloom, alkaline soil, and a blue one in soil with aluminum available. Now, some people throw phosphorus down because it dissolves into phosphoric acid. They see some luck getting blue in their flowers from that. Other people just throw, aluminum sulfate or something,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe they have luck with that. I'm, I'm okay with the pink flowers,
I am too.
you know?
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if that's worth my time to try to get the blue flowers, but I'm happy when I
Right.
see them.
They're nice.
The combination is actually quite good, sort of like the blueberries and the blueberry juice in my cocktail. It's sort of like,
Very nice.
thank you.
Or like those, the Pulmonaceae or whatever that family is with Pulmonaria and
Oh, yeah.
Virginia bluebells, where the flowers start pink and turn blue.
Yeah. Those
Kind
are,
of like that.
it's beautiful. I would
Hmm.
say that there is a lot of misinformation online and people throwing coffee grounds around as if it's a mood ring or something that you can, it's not. You can't. There is science behind it, and if you really care, do your research and see what you can do. Don't just put an aluminum foil cap on and pray.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
Scott, you really sounded like you knew what you were talking about there. So
Wasn't that amazing?
kudos for that.
Really?
That was amazing. It was a little science moment with Scott Beuerlein. So I knew we brought him on for some reason.
Yeah.
Huh. We got lucky.
Yeah.